Rear brake pad renewal. Select first gear and chock the front wheels. Fit the locking wheel nut and slacken the wheel bolts if the rear wheels are to be removed. Position the jack under the rear of the vehicle at the correct point as shown and use the jack to raise the vehicle. Position axle stands. Then lower the vehicle onto the axle stands and remove the jack. First, release the handbrake. Unscrew and remove the caliper guide pin bolts and lift off the caliper. Remove the caliper and place it to one side. Remove the brake pads and then recover the shims. Use a wire brush and brake cleaner to clean the caliper mounting. It's worth checking the piston dust seal for damage at this stage and that the caliper pins slide freely. Retract the piston using a piston retraction tool. Clamp the caliper flexible hose and open the bleed screw. As the piston is pushed back, the fluid can be directed into a suitable container using a hose attached to the bleed screw. Close the screw just before the piston is pushed fully back to ensure no air enters the system. Remove the flexible hose clamp, retraction tool and container. Fit the new shims and then apply a little high temperature grease to the pad contact points. Fit the inner brake pad followed by the outer pad. Refit the caliper and then fit the new caliper guide bolts then tighten the upper and lower caliper guide bolts. Refit the wheel. Depress the brake pedal repeatedly until the pads are pressed into firm contact with the brake disc and normal, non-assisted pedal pressure is restored. Position the jack and raise the rear of the vehicle. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Remove the jack. If the wheels have been removed, tighten the wheel nuts.